Why are so many places, including Discovery Center Museum, closed to the public? We've all heard that we need to wash our hands to make sure we're not spreading germs around. We're now taking a bigger step to help keep our germs away from each other. By closing museums, schools, and restaurants, everyone is working together to keep our germs away from each other. This will help slow down the spread of the virus that causes COVID-19. But what is COVID-19 and why is it causing such a problem? There is a new coronavirus that you may have heard about that is causing a disease called COVID-19. And it's a new germ that no one has been exposed to before, so no one has developed immunity to it yet. But what is immunity? When we get sick with something like a cold, our body learns to fight off the virus and then remembers how to do that again in the future. So if you come across that exact kind of germ virus again, you won't get sick a second time. Since no one's body knows how to fight this virus yet, it's very easy for people to get sick if they come near someone else that has the virus or has been exposed to it. If everyone stays close to home, this makes it much harder for those germs to move between people. What is Discovery Center doing during this temporary closure? Well, while our museum is closed, we still want to be true to our mission, to create opportunities for playful learning and discovery through hands-on experiences in the sciences and arts. To help serve this goal, we'll be posting to our social media channels with fun science videos, at-home art projects, and experiments and engineering challenges for you to do on your own. During this time of social distancing, we want to remind everyone that they don't need to be socially isolated. As we post our at-home ideas over the coming days, we would love to see your creations too. Please post your pictures with the hashtag Discovery Center Science so we can see your fun adventures during our temporary closure.